Oh yeah, and one more thing I should know before I continue is this. So if I go back to this one right here, so you can see that this guy has, oh yeah, you see this guy has only 3 toes, yet what I did before, he has 4. So that's one difference. So basically, he looks different than the other one because you can see that, um, here, let me hide his 2. So yeah, you see that besides the colors, he looks different between these two. So that's it. Oh yeah, one more thing is, it's almost dead savings. So if I click over here, you can see that it's half a minute till the time changes. So when it's March, the hour actually go forward one instead of backwards. So in 1/3 of a minute, you'll see it happen. There, it went to 3 a.m.